Hello and welcome to the fifth video for the Marketing Hub. This is for the daily Google Analytics data. This doesn't tie in with any of the other tabs except for the results report. There's a specific graph on the report that just shows you Google Analytics data. So if you don't want to do this, you don't have to do it. It doesn't affect any of the other tabs. It's really a kind of standalone thing that just appears on the report from a Google Analytics point of view. If you go to your audiences overview, this is in Google Analytics, select your date period, select two metrics. So you select page views and new users, for example, export it to CSV, and then come back and do sessions and bounce rate for the same date period. Then simply open up the first spreadsheet, copy the date views and new page views and new users, paste values in here, and then the second set one, don't copy the date, just do the sessions and bounce rate, copy and paste values back into here. That will put the that will get this data in here. This time you don't copy the headers. Every other time you do copy the headers. This time you don't. The headers are already there. Just make sure the right data lines up with the right headers, and that's all. Just do 1 month after the next after the next. You've got space in here for a year, so you can put in a year's worth of data. But really just put 1 month after that from the beginning of your spreadsheet whenever you've selected the time to start right down to the end. This will show you your top 5 days as far as views and that kind of thing is concerned. But as I said, you don't have to do this page if you don't want to. The real one you want to do is the content Google Analytics, because that relates to all these different posts, but there's a different video for that. So this first video for the Google Analytics, just simply go into Google Analytics, let's have a look here what it says. Overview, select date period, select two metrics. So if you go to audience, overview, there you go, select two metrics. So what do we say the first two were? Page views and new users. So if we say page views and new users, 1st of January to 31st of January, apply, and then go export and export to Excel. That's it. So you do this twice. You do it the first time for page views and new users, and then the second time you do it for sessions and bounce rate. Exactly the same thing for sessions and bounce rate. And then when you open up the spreadsheet, the first time what you do is you go to first click on enable editing, always on all the different sheets, always click enable editing, widen that column. So now we've got the date, January, right click, copy, come here, right click, paste values. And then when you do the sessions, when you do the second spreadsheet, you don't do the dates, you just do these, not without the headers, just the numbers there. Remember, if you shift control down, you're going to include the totals, so don't include the totals. Right click, copy, and then come back here and paste those values in there. And then once you've done that, you've got all that for January. Do the same thing for February, and just when you go to February, just scroll down and add it on from there on. So do February from this line onwards. That's it. Simple as that. And then this will produce another report that will come onto your results report. But as I said, it doesn't tie in with anything else in the spreadsheet. It just creates a graph on the results report. So if you don't want to do it, don't do it. If you want to do it, it's there. You can put the data in. Yeah, I think that's all. I hope that helps you. Thank you.